How to group layers in Alight motion. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will learn how we can group layers in Alight motion. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you have already opened up your project in Alight motion, and if you have different layers as you can see on my interface, now to group all your layers, what you have to do is tap on this layer like icon on your left hand side. Tap and hold on it. Then select all of your layers. Once all of your layers are selected, navigate to menu bar at the top. Tap on the first icon that will group all of your layer. Now if you tap on your project or the objects, and if you move, all of these layers will move and all of these layers are grouped as one layer. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.